The 2022 China Nordic Economic and Trade Cooperation Forum and Fortune 500 dialogue with Hubei is now underway. The event includes a series of themed exhibitions on high-end equipment manufacturing, optoelectronic technology, new energy intelligent connected vehicles, healthcare industry led by Beidou, and Nordic lifestyle products.
Between Nordic countries and also Sweden in particular, there is already several collaborations ongoing. For example, we have the joint venture between Dongfeng and the Volvo Group on the trucks production here in Hubei, in Xi'an. But we also have a number of other Swedish companies that are present here in Hubei. For example, we have IKEA, and in fact, Sweden is buying a lot of crayfish from Hubei, so there's ongoing trade and business collaboration already today. We are here actually today during this conference to discuss opportunities for collaboration within the life science and especially within the digital health sector, where there's a lot of interest and appetite from Hubei and where Sweden and other Nordic countries have a lot of advanced digital solutions to offer.
After being hit hard by the coronavirus outbreak, Hubei's economy saw a decline in 2020, but effective antivirus measures have led to relatively faster recovery. The gross domestic product of Hubei in 2021 surpassed the 5 trillion yuan, reflecting the great potential and robust vitality of the province's economy. Over the same period, the total value of the province's foreign trade reached 537.44 billion yuan, a year-on-year increase of 24.8%, with foreign direct investment increasing 48.8% to $2.5 billion.
I see it as a great win-win chance because there are so many great companies in Hubei, and also the government is so supportive on developing the infrastructure, on developing and growing Hubei in a sustainable way, and that is of course very, very key and something that is very close to the Grundfos DNA.
At present, 324 of the world's top 500 enterprises have invested in Hubei, ranking first in central China. At the opening ceremony of the event, 24 key cooperation contracts were signed, with a total value of more than 75 billion yuan. These contracts range fields such as the modern chemical industry to culture, tourism, and many others.